This 2025 Keystone Raptor 433 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Muskegon, Michigan, 49442 and is offered for sale by Lakeshore RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 46 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 173 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, loft, outdoor entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.